Most students get this wrong. The area of a circle segment. Can you solve this faster than your mathematics teacher? Example 2. Find the area of the segment AYB if the radius of the circle is 21 centimeter and the angle AOB is 120 degrees. Use pi equals to 22 by 7. Step 1. Area of the sector is equals to 120 by 360 into pi r square, that is pi into 21 square, that is 462 centimeters square. Area of the triangle AOB is equals to half of 21 into 21 sine 120 degrees, that is 191.1 centimeters square. So area of the segment equals to area of the sector minus area of the triangle equals to 462 minus 191.1 equals to 270.9 centimeters square. Tag a friend who can solve it faster.